Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP23 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Let's find it. And here I hope that you can see that I've applied the green lines before I've started recording because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. To do that, we have to enter the settings, so in the right upper corner this icon, and then tap on reset. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so just tap on confirm. And as you can see, the grid lines will immediately disappear, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.